माया कल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधी मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्वैत सिद्धि पेज नंबर 399। प्रपंच is kalpita. Rajju Sarpa is also kalpita. But kalpita prapancha is vyavaharika, and therefore in that some virodha, some shanka, means some objections, then their parihara, everything is appropriate. Such is not true for Rajju Sarpa. In Vyavaharik Satta, you can see some Karyakaran Bhava. From Mrittika, you can have Ghata. From the sesame seeds, till, you can have Tailam. But you cannot get the Tailam from the sand. And therefore, even though both are Mithya, Vyavaharik Satya has Utpatti, Sthiti, Laya, all the Prakriya. Adhyastasyapi, 6th line. Adhyastasyapi sarpasya bhayakampada janakatvavat vaivadinam tej adi janakatvam api upapannam. Sarpa is adhyasta in Rajju, but adhyasta sarpa is capable of producing bhaya, kampana, etc. In the same way, kalpita vayu is capable of producing teja. Vaivadinam teja adi janakatvam api upapannam. And in that, he is giving Brahma Sutra to support his idea. Tadavidhyanad eva tu tallingat saha iti. Sutrecha tattad bhavapannasya brahmana eva karanatva avidhanat. Tattad bhavapanna brahma. Vayu bhavapanna brahma will produce teja. Teja bhavapanna brahma will produce jala. In this way. So tad abhidhyanad eva tu tallingat. Brahma is as if doing abhidhyanam of Vayu. So it is said from Vayu there is utpatti of Agni. Tat abhidhyana means tat tad Vayvadi abhidhyanat. In the same way, just as Utpatti is from Brahma, Laya is also in Brahma only. Abadau Pruthivyadi Layoktihi api tattad bhavapanna chaitanye vyakheya iti नाधिष्ठानातिरिक्ते लयोक्तिः. अबादौ पृथिव्यादि लय उक्तिः. In jala etc. पृथिव्यादि लय, in jal पृथ्वी लय, in agni jal laya. So the dissolution prakriya layoktihi api tattad bhavapanna chaitanya means the laya of Prithvi is not in jala. Laya of Prithvi is in where?
Chaitanya Bhava.
चैतन्य भावापन्न नहीं, जल भावापन्न चैतन्य. जल भावापन्न चैतन्य. So विशेष is chaitanya. Jala bhavapatti is happening to chaitanya. Mukhya is chaitanya. In chaitanya which temporarily appears like water in that Prithvi. So chaitanya has taken that bhava. Similarly, jala laya will be in agni bhavapanna chaitanya. So all laya is in chaitanya. All utpatti is from chaitanya. In this way, vyakheya iti na adhisthanatirikte layokti. Therefore, laya is not in anything other than the adhisthana, Brahma. Iti siddham. So, utpatti and laya both are from Brahma. Then the next question is, he had put that Vaishamya Nairgranya dosha. Purvapakshi had said, Vaishamya Nairgranya na sapekshatvat iti sutra, this was given. So, Siddhanti says, Vaishamya Nairgranya Prayojanadi Shanka Pariharadikam tu Upasana Avasthayame. Upasana Avasthayame, Upasana Avasthayameva. In Ishvara there is Vaishamya because somebody is Sukhi, somebody is Dukhi. Or in Ishvara there is Nairgranya. Ishvara has created Naraka. Then in Naraka there is Yatana. All these shows Ishvara is Nishthura. He doesn't have any compassion. So it is said, this is Sapeksha. Sapeksha of Punya and Papa. Those who have Papa, they will get suffering. Those who have Punya will get joy. And this is there in Upasana Avastha. Upasana Avastha means, in Upasana Avastha, I am Jiva, different from Ishvara. Ishvara is Karma Phala Data. I am Karma Karta. Then I will become Bhokta. In this way, when the Vyavastha is there, then keeping that in mind, Jiva Ishvara Vyavastha, Jiva Ishvara Vibhaga, all these Vaishamya, Nairgranya questions, then answers to those questions, everything is given. So that is why Shanka Pariharadikam, objections and resolutions. They are all in this Upasana Avastha. It is when anyone thinks Jiva is Satya, Ishvara is Satya, Jiva is different from Ishvara, that stage is called Upasana Avastha. Whether you are doing Upasana or not, it is Dvaitam. Bhoktrapatte Ravibhagaschet Syat Lokavat. This is the next point now. This is an important one. This is from the Brahma Sutra. This Jiva Ishvara Vibhaga is there in Upasana Avastha, it is accepted by Sutrakara also in Brahma Sutra. So in this Vibhaga, Brahma is Bhokta. And Bhoga is also Brahma. So Brahma appears as Jagat, is accepted. Brahma is also Bhokta. For Brahma to become Bhokta, you will have to accept Parinamavada, because Bhoktrutva needs Parinama. So if Brahma is Bhokta also, and Brahma is Bhogya, then this sutra says, Bhokta pattehe avibhagaschet. Bhokta pattehe avibhaga or Bhoktra pattehe avibhaga. If Brahma is Bhoktru, Bhoktrutva will come, then there is no Vibhaga. There is no Vibhaga means same thing is Bhokta also, same thing is Bhogya also. There is no distinction between Bhokta and Bhogya. So there will not be Vibhaga. So if there is no Vibhaga, then how will you say there is Bhoktritva? So Sutrakar gives the answer, Syat. Means Vibhaga Syat. Purva Paksha is up to Chet. Bhoktra pattehe avibhaga Chet. So Siddhanti says Syat. Lokavat. Lokavat means in Loka, between Karya and Karana, if you accept Parinamavada, between Karya and Karana, there will be some Bheda. So that's why he used the example Lokavat. So you can think of it this way. In Parinamavada, Mrittika is Karanam, Ghata is Karyam. But you will accept Bheda between them. You will say Ghata is Karyam different from Karana. Because what you can do with Ghata, you cannot do with Mrittika. So even though it is abhinna, it is still bhinna. So Brahma alone is Karanam for Bhokta also and Bhogya also. But there is Bheda between Brahma as Bhokta and Brahma as Bhogya. So Bhoga is possible. Then see further. This is आपाततः परिणामवाद अभ्युपगमेन भोक्त्रापत्तेः अविभागश्चेत् स्यात् लोकवत् इति आपाततः परिणामवाद अभ्युपगमेन. Brahma Sutrakara has temporarily apatatah means or casually accepted Parinamavada. Not seriously. In this sutra, Parinamavada is accepted, Abhyupagamena. Then what is the real answer? Tadananyatvam arambhana shabdadibhyaha iti tu vivartavade परम सिद्धांत दशायाम न शंका न च उत्तरम. So Acharya says the real answer between the Brahma, Karana and Jagat Karya is they have Ananyatvam. There is no Vibhaga. Tad Ananyatvam. Between Karya Karana there is Abheda. That is known through Arambhana Shabdadibhyaha. Arambhana Shabda is Vacharambhanam Vikaro Namadeyam Mrittiketyeva Satyam. So the Karya Karana Vibhaga, when it is accepted, we understand it is not Paramarthika Vibhaga or Bheda. But in Vyavahara, some Bheda is accepted. In Vivartavada, there is no Bheda between Karya Karana. Ghata is nothing but Mrittika. It is only Vacharambhanam. Ghata is only Vacharambhanam. This, he says, this is Paramasiddhanta. So you should understand, Vivartavada or Ajatavada, when they are understood as one. Vivartavada from the standpoint of Vyavahara, Ajatavada from the standpoint of Paramartha. It is called as Paramasiddhanta. In that there is neither doubt nor resolution. So this Parinamavada and Vivartavada, etc., in Sankshepa Shariraka, these things are explained. 4 vadas are given. Arambhavada,
Kalabhaksha Pakshaha, Parinamavadastu Bhalanta Pakshaha, Sangatavadastu Bhalanta Pakshaha. Parinama.
Sankhyaadi Pakshaha, Parinamavadaha, Vedanta Pakshastu Vivartavada. So of those 4, Arambhavada and Sanghatavada, they are considered as very preliminary. So they are refuted first. Then Parinamavada is accepted, and then Vivartavada is where the culmination is shown. So the Karya Karana Sambandha in Parinamavada is clear. We have to use that terminology. When we say Karya and Karana are Ananya, tad Ananyatvam. So somebody will ask you, when you are saying they are not two different, which two you are referring to? You say Karya and Karana. Then somebody will say, but you don't believe in two. For you, there is only one. So we say yes. What others accept as Karya Karana, what we also accept in Vyavaharik terms, in Srishti Prakriya, etc., that Karya Karana Bheda is actually not there. In this way, we resolve. From Paramartha standpoint, there is no objection, there is no resolution. Both of them are only in the field of Dvaita. So Paramasiddhanta Dashayam na Shanka na cha Uttara. Mayavina iva Ishwarasya Swapratibimba Bhuta Jiva Brahmaitritvena Sarva Virodha Nirasopapattehe. Mayavinaha iva Ishwarasya. Just like a magician, Ishwara also Swapratibimba Bhuta Jiva Brahmaitritvena. Ishwara has Jiva Brahmaitritvam. Ishwara is deluding Jivas. What is Jiva? Swapratibimba, unsworn Pratibimba. जीव भ्रमयतृत्वेन सर्व विरोध निराश उपपत्ते है. All virodhas, whatever objections that you have or can have, they all can be refuted. Means what? Just as a magician, when he shows different things, in those things, let us say a magician shows one regular coin, 10 rupee coin, one silver 10 rupee coin, and one golden 10 rupee coin, and all are illusion. So, what can you buy from the regular normal 10 rupee coin or silver coin or gold coin? Nothing. Among those three, there is no utkarsha, apakarsha. There is no gradation. As far as Ishvara is concerned. So he says, because for Ishvara, Swapratibimba Bhuta Jiva, the Jivas are deluded, Brahmaitra, Sarva Virodha Nirasa can be there. Then on that there will be some objections. But so this point, we should understand what they are trying to say. There is a quotation given in your book, in Tika. This is from Kalpataru. Pratibimbagataha pashyan rujuvakradi vikriyaha puman krided yatha brahma tatha jivastha vikriyaha. Puman प्रतिबिंबगताः रुजुवक्रादि विक्रियाः पश्यन् यथा क्रीडेत तथा ब्रह्म जीवस्थ विक्रियाः पश्यन् क्रीडेत. Just as a person sees his reflection in mirror, and some are convex, some are concave, some are flat, some have some other movement. So there are different expressions you see of yourself, which have no reality. You see them and you enjoy, you laugh at all those things. In the same way, Brahma, Jivastha Vikriyaha Pashyan, he sees all the, somebody is laughing, somebody is crying, somebody fighting, and Ishvara enjoys. All these are reflections. Nothing is there in them. But like Soma Sharma Pita, some reasons they find to enjoy, some reasons they find to fight, some reasons they find to cry, etc. Now a question is raised. Nanu ईश्वरस्यापि सपरिकरस्य जीवेन अध्यस्तत्वात् कथं ब्रह्मैतृत्वम्. Purva Pakshi says, in your Siddhanta, Ishvara is also Kalpita. Ishvara is Kalpita by Jiva. Not only Ishvara, Ishvara Saparikarasya. Along with the Parivara and the Ayudha and the Alankara, everything. Sangam, Sayudham, Salankaram, Saparivaram, all that Ishvara is Kalpana of Jiva in your Darshana. Purva Pakshi says. Everything is Adhyastha by Jiva only. So how that Ishvara can delude Jiva? Ishvara, who itself is Kalpita, how will he delude Jiva? In Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter, it is given Brahmayan Sarva Bhutani Yantra Rudhani Maya. What is the first line? Ishvara Sarva Bhutanam Riddhesherjuna Tishtati. And Brahmayan Sarva Bhutani. So Ishvara is there in all jivas, in their buddhi, hriddesha. And then Sarva Bhutanam, Sarva Bhutani, Brahmayan, Yantra Rudhani Maya. So Brahma, Karana is Ishvara. So how it will happen? Because that Ishvara itself is projected. Siddhanti said, na. अविद्योपहित चित एव अनादेर ईश्वरत्वेन अंतःकरण उपहित जीव कल्पितत्वा योगात्. अविद्या उपहित चैतन्य एव अनादेः ईश्वरत्वेन. अविद्या उपहित चैतन्य is ईश्वर and that ईश्वर is अनादि. अनादेः ईश्वरत्वेन अंतःकरण उपहित जीव कल्पितत्व योगात्. You cannot say that such Ishvara, avidya upahita chaitanya, is kalpita by antakarana avachinna chaitanya jiva. So, first answer is this, that Ishvara is anadi, avidya upadi is anadi. So, it is not kalpita by jiva, it is always there. Then somebody says, but like your Ekajiva Vada and all, where Ishvara is only kalpita for jiva. So this is best answer, Jiva kalpitatva pakshe api tadrik dharma vishishtaya eva kalpanena tasya brahmaitrattvadi upapatte. Even if you say Ishvara is jiva kalpita, in the kalpana of jiva, not only Ishvara is kalpita, Ishvara who does Brahmaitritva, Ishvara who has Brahmaitritva of all jivas, that kalpana is also done. If I can do kalpana of Ishvara, I can do any dharma kalpana in that Ishvara. Who is going to stop me? I can do this kalpana, Ishvara is karma phaladata. I can do kalpana, Ishvara is sarvagnya, sarveshvara, sarvantarya. And for all of them, I will have some shruti. Kalpana is not baseless. It is shruti sammata kalpana. In Ishvara, I can do the kalpana, Ishvara is Guru. Ishvara is Srishti Sthiti Laya Karanam. In for all of them, there is Shruti. Not only that, there is another beautiful thing. What is that? In Jiva, in Ishvara, I will do Gurutva Kalpana, or in some other Jiva. One Jiva, Chaitra, does Kalpana, there is some Ramananda, who is his Guru, let us say. That Ramananda is Shrotriya Brahmanishtha. That Kalpana also Jiva will do. So Jiva did Kalpana that there is Guru. Then Jiva will do Kalpana, he is Shrotriya Brahmanishtha. Then Jiva will do Kalpana, I will learn from this Shrotriya Brahmanishtha. And then he gets the Mahavakya. So all Shruti Sammata Kalpana can be there. There is no harm. If you say it is, if Ishvara is Jiva Kalpita, everything can be Jiva Kalpita. With those dharma as the Visheshana. Tadrik dharma Vishishtataya Ishvara se Kalpana. Jivana. So everything will work. Means we will not do Kalpana only of Ishvara without any dharma. All the dharmas which are Shruti Sammata, all will be there in that Ishvara. He gives the example. So this shloka is quoted. See, another shloka is given from Sankshepa Shariraka. Parikalpitopi sakalagnataya gurureva purnam avadbodhayati. Parikalpitopi maranaya bhaved urago yatha natu nabho malinam. Even, see, in Srishti everything is kalpita, let us say. Entire Vyavaharik Prapancha is kalpita. Guru is also kalpita. Parikalpito api guru, but that guru kalpana is in which way? He is sarvagnya, sakalagnya. And therefore that guru will teach Purna Brahma. Purnam eva avabodhayati. Everybody knows where I am reading this shloka, right? Page number 400, all the way down.
Yes, Swamiji.
Ghata is also parikalpita. Ghata will not give upadesha. Guru is kalpita, but Guru can give Mahavakya upadesha. He gives the drashtanta. So how you see, Ghata is also kalpita, Guru is also kalpita. Both are Vyavaharika. But Guru can give upadesha, not Ghata. Just like Pratibhasika, he gives example. In Rajju, Sarpa is Pratibhasika. It is kalpita. And in Akasha, Nilima is Pratibhasika, kalpita. But the kalpita sarpa can be cause of death. Kalpita nilima cannot be the cause of death. Even though both are kalpita. So like that, let's say if I do kalpana in my swapna of one jiva and one guru. One guru and one shishya, two. So in that kalpana, shishya will be ajnani, guru will be jnani.
Yeah.
That jnani guru will give bodha to ajnani shishya. Both are my kalpana only. But who will play which role? In that there is niyama. Ajnani will not give bodha to jnani. Further now. So parikalpitopi maranaya bhave durago yatha natu nabho malinam iti nyaya. Nanu na जीवानाम वायवादिभ्यो अग्न्यादि उत्पत्ति रीति भ्रमो अस्ति. Somebody says Jiva don't have this Brahma that from Vayu Agni Utpatti takes place. यह स्वाप्न भ्रम इव श्रुते है आलंबन स्यात्. In swapna brahma, Shruti Alamban is there, na tatra ratha, na ratha yoga, etc. So, you know what is not there, there is kalpitam, Shruti has support. न च भ्रांतिम विना कल्पितम अस्ति, but without भ्रांति there is no कल्पित वस्तु. न च एतद् वाक्यज भ्रांति कल्पितमेव एतद् वाक्य आलम्बनम. This is, somebody thinks in this way that a jiva will not be able to do this kind of kalpana. Why? Because jiva is coming after ajnanam. Jiva is ajnana karya. So jiva cannot do this kalpana. So then who is doing this kalpana of Agni utpatti from Vayu or Vayu utpatti from Akasha? Jiva cannot do this kalpana because jiva is not there that. So this kalpana will be of Ishvara. If Ishvara is also doing some kalpana like jiva, Ishvara can also be Bhranta. Ishvara can also have Bhranti. This is Purva Paksha's thinking. And this is Etad Vakyaja Bhranti Kalpitam. We'll see this further in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.